You saw one?
Yeah.
What do you hear right now?
That's Court Street over there.
That's Court Street over there. That's right.
That's Court Street over there.
Oh. What street is this? What street is this street?
Second place.
Second place. And where's Smith Street? Where's...
No, take a picture.
I was asking a question. Where's Smith Street? Over there. And what's our address? Where do you live?
One second place.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Brodie, do you hear that loud noise? What's that loud noise?
He's using a chainsaw.
He's using a chainsaw. What is he doing with the chainsaw?
Cutting the branches off.
He's cutting the branches off?
Yeah. Look.
Did you go look at the chainsaw?
Yeah.
And what did you see? What was the man doing?
Cutting off the branches.
Did he climb up the tree?
Yeah.
Was there another man?
Yeah.
What was the other man doing?
Bringing the trees out on a truck.
He put the tree branches on the truck?
Yeah.
Are you going to do some more running?